Thanks everyone for joining me today. My name is Jeremy Bigler. I'm a Senior Brand Manager for Lebanon Turf. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of product training on the Roots Holly Boost product. You may be familiar with some of our other products in our ProScape line, Leb Pro line, eBlend, Wood Ace, Country Club, or Emerald Isle lines. But today we're going to be talking about a Roots product. Roots is our line of natural fertilizers that are biologically enhanced. And really the goal here is to maximize a plant's natural potential through the use of various biostimulants. In the Roots product line, we have what I like to call the 4 pillars of categories of additions to these products. We've got mycorrhizal fungi, beneficial bacteria, biostimulants, and chelated micronutrients. Today, like I said, we're talking about Roots Holly Boost specifically, which is our latest addition to our natural fertilizers. And this one is specifically formulated for plants that love acidic soil conditions. So your rhododendrons, your azaleas, your evergreens, even your berries, or if you're looking to lower the pH of the soil, and you've got a soil test that says that it's come back as alkaline soil, this would be a good product for that problem as well. When we're talking about key features of this product, I'm going to start with the all-natural ingredients. This is a high-quality meal-based fertilizer, which means it has low odor, unlike your manure or sewage sludge containing products, which tend to have a much stronger odor. This is a low odor. Like I mentioned, no manure or poultry compost. This also doesn't include any biosolids or treated sludge, which means you have no risk of PFAS, fluorinated chemicals, or the chemicals known as forever chemicals. The process that we use granulates the materials all together into a homogeneous granule and is a low dust type process, and the finished product is much more consistent. One of the other key features that we have in this product is the addition of elemental sulfur. This is important. Anytime you get a soil test back that says the soil is alkaline and you need to lower the pH, one of the first things that they're going to tell you to do is apply sulfur in the elemental form. And we've added that into this all-natural fertilizer for you. The reason this is important is those plants that like acidic conditions are typically high iron feeders, and iron gets locked off or is not available even when you start getting to a neutral pH in the soil. So adding the elemental sulfur, lowering the soil pH is going to make that iron in a much more plant accessible form. What we've done in our granulation process is create almost a homogeneous granule. So we go through a special mixing process and then run the product through a mill and granulation process that, as you can see here, is a much more consistent product. So Roots Holly Boost being on the left side of your screen, you can see the difference in the granule size, distribution, and the uniformity of the color of the product. On the right-hand side, you can see some competitive product here, which has unprocessed feathers, has a big range in granule size, and you can even see some of the individual components that haven't been mixed in thoroughly. And what this does is it leads to a superior nutrient distribution and easier application, or better consistency in your application. One of the other features that we have in the Roots Holly Boost is the addition of humic acids. And humic acids actually add quite a few benefits to the plant and to the soil. So one of the things that humic acids do is they act as a chelating agent and make micronutrients that are already in the soil in a state that's more available to the plant. The humic acid also enhances a plant's natural stress resistance. And the way that it does this is when the plant is exposed to humic acids, that elicits a stress response, and the plant produces natural enzymes that it would see in both biotic and abiotic stress situations. And with the increase in those enzymes and or hormones, the plant is much better at dealing with both biotic and abiotic stress. Lastly, humic acids have a high cation exchange capacity, so that improves the soil cation exchange capacity, and that makes the soil much better at holding on to nutrients, preventing them from leaching out, and making sure that they're available when the plant needs them. Lastly, I want to talk about the beneficial bacteria package that we have in Roots Holly Boost. We've got 6 different strains of bacteria. They're all rhizosphere bacteria, which means they live in and around plant roots. Some of the bacteria that we have in this product are considered to be good at nitrogen fixing, where they pull nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert it to a form usable by the plant. We also have bacteria in this product that are good at solubilizing phosphorus, again, making this phosphorus and converting it into a plant usable form. We also have bacteria that are known to be good at breaking down organic matter, releasing those nutrients back into the soil. The last feature that I want to talk about here may not be as easily visible from the bag is the NPK analysis. Roots Holly Boost is a 646, whereas leading competitor products are much more likely to be in a 343 form. And what you'll notice is if you follow the application rates of both products, you're going to see an almost identical application rate of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium per 1,000 square feet. But what you'll also notice here with the Roots Holly Boost 646 is that the application rate is significantly lower than the 343 product. And what that means is a 50-pound bag of Roots Holly Boost will cover 50% more area than the leading competitor product will. So with all that being said, Roots Holly Boost, our latest addition to the Roots natural fertilizer line, has an all-natural fertilizer base, no manure, has added elemental sulfur to help acidify the soil, additional humic acids to make micronutrients more available and improve soil health, beneficial bacteria to help fix nitrogen and solubilize phosphorus, and a product that covers 50% more area per bag compared to the leading competitor. If you're looking for more information on this product or any of the other products that we've got, please visit us at LebanonTurf.com or give me a call at 1-800-233-0628. Thanks and have a great day.